Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Polpreet Kaur and today I'll be telling you some of the basic tips that new parents should follow so that they can take care of their child's oral health. So tip number 1 is when to take your child to a dentist. It is when their first tooth erupts in his or her mouth, that is around 6 to 7.5 months of their age. So take your child to a dentist whenever he or she is 6 to 7.5 months of age, that is when their first tooth erupts. Now, how to take care of their teeth, like how to brush, when to brush, and which type of toothpaste to use. So I'm going to divide their age into 4 stages and I'm going to tell you what kind of tips or guidelines you should follow according to their age. The first stage is infant stage. That is when your child is below 1 year of age. So how you can take care of their oral health in this age? What you have to do is you have to take a small cloth that should be of cotton and you have to damp it and wrap it around your index finger and you have to massage their gums and clean their teeth with that moist dampened cloth. So whenever they have some liquid diet, make sure after that you clean their oral cavity and you massage their gums and clean their teeth with that moist dampened cloth. Second stage is of toddler stage. This is a stage when your child is 1 to 3.5 to 4 years of age. And parents are wholly responsible for the hygiene of their kids' oral cavity. So what you have to do is you have to brush your child's teeth twice daily. Once with toothpaste that should not contain fluoride, and secondly without toothpaste. And the size of the toothbrush should not be more than 15 mm. The head of the toothbrush should not be more than 15 mm, and make sure whenever you use toothpaste that should not exceed pea size. So whenever you brush your child in morning, you use toothpaste that should be of pea size and that should not contain fluoride, and during night before bed you brush their teeth and make them rinse mouth without toothpaste. Now how to brush their teeth? You have to use circular motions. Circular motions when you brush your child's teeth. And what should be the position? There can be 2 types of position. Either you can make them lie in your lap and you can brush them, making them lie in your lap, or you can make them sit beside you and you can wrap one of your hand around them and you can brush their teeth like this. So it's your responsibility that you have to take care of your child's oral cavity in this stage of life. So the third stage is pre-adolescence age. This is the age around 4 to 10 years of age. This is the early school stage. So now your child will brush their teeth on their own. What you have to do is you have to teach them the correct way of brushing their teeth. And you have to educate them and prompt them to brush their teeth regularly twice daily. So what you have to do is you have to make them brush their teeth twice daily, and this time you have to use toothpaste twice daily. But what is the difference? You have to use fluoridated toothpaste once, and second time you have to use non-fluoridated toothpaste. This is a time when the children they copy their parents, so you have to take care that you teach them properly and also you guide them like the problems that they can get if they don't brush their teeth regularly. Also you can use disclosing agents. These are the agents that reveal the calculus or the plaque or the food debris in your child's mouth, and they will get to know that where they are lacking and where they need to improve. So this is the age parents need to prompt their children and guide them the way of brushing and also appreciate them whenever they brush properly. So the last stage is of adolescence stage. This stage starts around 10 years of age. In this stage your child knows how to brush, but they lack motivation. So you have to motivate your child to brush twice daily, and this time make sure they use fluoridated toothpaste twice daily. I hope this video is beneficial for you all and you all will follow these tips, and this will help you prevent any kind of tooth cavity in your child's mouth.